Hey guys, this is Off-Road Redneck. I just want to do an update on my new lawnmower I just got. I picked this up for $50. It's Murray Select. Originally, it had a 13.5 Briggs and all that stuff. And whoever I bought it from decided to put 16 horsepower twin on it. It runs good. I did do the pulley swap, but I still haven't got a belt yet. Seems pretty wide in the back. I like it. I'll fire it up for you guys. Well, got my dual exhaust on it. Alright, let me start it. I was trying to wire it myself, and I got my ignition right here. So, give me a second. As you can see, it runs pretty good. I mean, you see, I gotta wire this up because it's screwed into my. So yeah, I gotta finish wiring it up. I was thinking about putting on some brake lights in the back here. I was gonna tie it into the safety switch when you push the brake down. You push the brake down and it lets you start it. I was thinking about doing that, and even doing reverse lights, because this mower, actually you won't be able to see it, but well, anyway, when you pull this shifter, when you pull it back into reverse, it turns a switch on for, I don't know if it was for the blades or what, but I was thinking about making that reverse lights. I'll have to see what I can do with it. And it is a Spicer, which I'm not too happy about, but see how long it lasts. Yeah, it runs good. I did have to put a starter on it because some guy didn't, I don't know, he took the starter off. And got to get a belt for it, so hopefully I'll be driving it maybe tomorrow. Go to my hardware store. Well, I guess I'll do another video when I do get that belt. This is Off-Road Redneck. See ya.